Hey there, this is Omar from Hands On Smart Services Florida, and today I'm very excited because I just purchased a Mabru power system rooftop air conditioner, 14,000 BTU running on 12 volts. And I also added to the purchase a Mabru 250 amps lithium battery, and I'm gonna do the test today. I'm visiting a cousin to do the unboxing, and let's see what we got. Okay, let's see what we got in the first box. We have here the template, the installation manual. The template is 14 by 14. This is the internal cover, the gasket, and some accessories here, screws, some tie wraps, accessories, and the rails. Okay, and let's see in the other box. We have the installation manual, cable with the fuse, is 80 amp fuse, and here's another extra cable. This is 4 gauge or 6 gauge, the remote control, and the AC. This is the internal side, the face, and let's turn it off. Cheers for that. And here we got 2 condensers. There are golden condensers and 2 fans. This was designed to the heat exchange in the deserts, so it's very efficient. It's 14,000 BTU, and I'm gonna connect it right now. We're gonna see the amperage consumption and the differential temperature. We can see the ambient temperature is 86 Fahrenheit, and the battery can be monitored by Bluetooth, but I'm using the cell phone right now, so I cannot monitor it. Then I will show you how it works. So we're gonna use the amp meter and the voltmeter to see what we have. And next, we're gonna check the voltage and the amp draw. We can see here that is 13.4, is fully charged, and we're gonna run it to see how many amps will consume. Now let's start it up. The room temperature is in Celsius, so now we are requesting 24 Celsius to see how is consuming. Now we are reading the ambient temperature is 28 Celsius. The requested temperature is 20. We can also turn on the lights. Let's see what we got. The wind speed is at maximum. Let's put it in minimum. Maximum. And the amp draw. And now the average is 41. 41 amp. And let's see in the minimum. The minimum consumption on this unit, still cooling, we are having an amazing 18, 19 amps. Now we got here, the room temperature is 27. We are guessing 27, so it's in the minimum. It's cooling very well. Have the fan speed in maximum, and the consumption is an amazing 18 amps. Still cooling, and let's request a little bit more of temperature. So let's reduce it to 23. So now it's in maximum, blowing fresh air at maximum speed. The consumption is 57, but if we reduce it to an average of close to the room temperature, it's going to reduce to 44, 43. This is the average of the cooling mode. If we select the strong, it's going to be maximum, and the minimum is in sleep, and it's going to reduce considerably. Very low profile, it's just 5 inches, and in the inside is another 5 inches. We have in the ambient temperature 29 Celsius, and we requested in the control 25 Celsius, so the differential between 29 in the ambient, 28 versus the discharge temperature that we have around, it should be like 17 or 16. Let's see, let's wait. 17. So 28 minus 16, we have a differential of a 12 Celsius differential. So in Fahrenheit, let me calculate it and let it explain. In Fahrenheit is 84, 83, and the discharge, let's see, let's wait, is now 64. Oh, okay, so 84 minus 62 is a differential on temperature of 22 or 23. So we have a differential on temperature of 22 in the average 43 amps. 43 amps, and it's very cold. Now the unit has been running for a while, and you see that it's condensing water. It has some drains on sides to allow the unit drain depending on the angle that is. Here it has some in the front and in the other side. And calculating the amp draw, now is 32, 31, and the battery capacity is 250. So dividing that 250 with an average of 32, that is the average amp draw in normal cooling mode, you can be able to run this 14,000 BTU air conditioner for about 8 hours. So it's amazing.